What a beautiful day for the zoo!
I want to see the monkeys. And the lions, too.
Yes, the lions.
Okay, I have the tickets ready.
Let me hold them.
Here you go. Go.
Great. Let's go inside now.
Wait.
Dad, wait.
What is it?
Your ticket is upside down.
Huh?
He's right. Look at it. Look at it. Wow.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome, Dad.
Look, Mom. Look at that.
I see it. The giraffe.
It is so tall. Yes. And look at its neck.
That neck is very long.
How does it drink water? It bends down slowly.
That sounds hard.
I am tall, too.
You are not that tall, Dad.
Watch me. I am stretching my neck.
What are you doing?
Can I eat leaves like a giraffe?
No, Dad. You are too short.
Much too short.
That's not fair.
The giraffe wins. Mom, look at the monkeys. I see them swinging. They are on the ropes.
That one is going really high.
Wow, so fast.
They are very good climbers.
Wow, so fast. They are very good climbers.
I am a monkey, too. What?
What?
I am a monkey, too.
What?
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Oh, you are so funny. Oh, you are so funny.
Dad, stop it.
Dad, stop it.
Ooh. Ooh, ooh.
Look over there. They are eating bananas.
They look happy. Bananas are tasty. Can I have a banana later?
Yes, after we see more animals.
I will draw a bonobo.
That's a great idea.
You draw very well.
Where is the lion?
This is the lion area.
Look over there, behind the rock.
I see him, the king of the jungle.
He looks tired.
Oh no, he is sleeping.
Yes, lions sleep a lot.
Wake up, Mr. Lion.
Roar. Shh.
Both of you, quiet.
But I want to hear him roar.
The lion is tired.
We should not bother him.
It is rude to wake him.
You are right.
Sorry, Mr. Lion.
Sorry. Sleep well. Sleep well.
Today we saw many animals.
They are all beautiful.
I loved the monkeys.
Remember something important.
What, Mom?
When we must respect the animals.
Yes, they need peace too.
I understand. I understand.
Good. Now show me your drawings.
Here, look at this one.
Wow, that's amazing.
A macaque monkey and a reticulated giraffe.
And here is the sleeping lion.
Great drawing.
I love the zoo.
Me too.
What is your favorite animal?
The monkey. It was so funny.
And yours?
Huh. The giraffe. So peaceful.
What about you, Mom?
I like the lion. I like the lion. Even though he was sleeping?
Yes. He looked calm. A good king rests.
Can we come back soon?
Huh? And we come back soon.
Huh?
Of course.
Next time, maybe the lion will roar. I hope so. Let's go home now.
Good idea. I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
What should we eat?
Bananas, like the monkeys.
And leaves, like the reticulated giraffe.
No leaves for you. No leaves for you.
Dad is funny.
Always. Huh?
Come on, my two monkeys. Ooh, 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 ah, ah. Ooh, ooh.
What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day.
The best day ever.
I agree.
Let's remember this trip.
I will never forget it.
Neither will I.